Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Mark here, and I'm back to doing an enveloping. This is going to be the final video of 2024, so I'm just going to do a quick and simple and tell you what did I get in this year envelope. What is it? But of course it's from Canada. Wait a minute, is this what I think it is? Let's unenvelope it. Like now. Oh my god, it's a Victoria Mero autograph signed by the actress that plays Samantha Bedford. I believe it's the character from the Black Christmas fan film, It's Me, Billy. And It's Me, Billy Chapter 2. Now, for those who haven't seen It's Me, Billy Chapter 1 and 2, the first one came out in 2021, and the second one came out this year, 2024, which would mark the 50th anniversary of Black Christmas, the original Black Christmas. And Victoria Mero plays the granddaughter of Jesse Bedford, who we are going to see, by the way, but she's played by a different actress, but she looked closely to what she looked like in the original. And too bad Olivia Hussey didn't come back, so very sad, but they thanked her. So yeah, so if anybody has been following my channel, I left the pre-order links, and sadly as of 2 weeks ago, the funding and the pre-orders have ended. So yeah, you'll be getting it soon on February 2023 to those who order it. I mean, in 2025, sorry. So yeah, those who pre-ordered it will be receiving their copies on Blu-ray from in 2025 in February. So yeah, I wasn't aware about the first one, but now I got both copies on the way, and I finally got this autograph that it came. Well, it doesn't come with the Blu-ray yet. It won't be coming soon, but it'll be coming in February 2025. But guys, you gotta watch It's Me, Billy. It's Me, Billy Chapter 2. Because those films answer the questions that was left in the 1974 film. Forget the 2006 Black Xmas or Black Christmas. And forget about Black Christmas 2019. Just make fun of those movies. But those who like the 2006, not because of the gore, just that we see the lighting palettes, the cinematography, the lighting colors. Nowadays, we don't get good with that with those in movies like that anymore. But let's be clear. But it was also thanks to and dedicated to the memory of Bob Clark. But too bad they never paid memory to John Saxon, who was the cop in the original film. But anyways, thank goodness we finally got It's Me, Billy Chapter 1 and 2. Those are good sequels. Black Christmas 2006, nah, meh. 2019, meh. What? Those two movies, I'm sorry, those are poor remakes, poor cash grabs. They're name makes. They're nothing. It's Me, Billy, Chapter 1 and 2. Rules, y'all. Rules. R-U-L-Z. R-U-L-E-Z. Rules. Alright, y'all. Those who haven't seen, I'll leave the link in the description box. Or if you're following on my channel, I have it on my horror genre collection vids, which is of course I have it alongside with other type of vids from weapons, tools, Stranger Things-esque vids, and what other type of, oh yeah, fun vids and comedy genre vids, and music video vids that I have on my channel. So check it out. Or I'll just leave you the link in the description box. Check these movies out. You will never be disappointed. So yeah, I just bought the 2 copies as of a few months ago that I pre-ordered it. I wasn't aware about the original one that came out. That was during 2020. We were all on lockdown, and I wasn't aware of it, and I didn't hear any of it by the time it was too late. Oh well. But anyways, we finally got the answer, and it is the bookend. We finally got a Black Christmas sequel. But these are fan films, but I don't give a damn. It answers the questions. The videos will be linked in the description box down below. So before signing off, let's give a shout. If you like content like this or other content, please click the bell on the subscribe button to be notified about new uploads. Like the videos, always appreciate thumbs ups. Having opinions related to the content of the videos, comments down below. I'd like to hear your opinions as well. So yeah. And let's give a shout out to that thing of ours, to the TCF, to the physical media collectors, the watch collectors, toy collectors, video game collectors, autograph collectors, and all you collectors out there. Shout outs to you all. So yeah, folks. Wow. Plus, I mean, the YouTube community often posts what time I post videos at a certain time, whether the early morning or afternoon hours or the early evening hours. But I will not post a video. I just leave you notification in the YouTube community to let you all know what time will the video be ready at a certain time. So keep an eye on that, folks, and including pre-order videos of any products that are anything from Kickstarter, Indiegogo, and such, or Creator VC. So yeah, keep an eye on that as well, folks. Wow. So also, let's give a shout out to Dave McCrae, the writer director for It's Me Billy Chapter 1 and 2. Who gave us the Black Christmas the Black Christmas sequel we've been waiting for. And we've been waiting for this since 2007 because we were going to get a sequel, but sadly Bob Clark passed away before anything could happen, and very sadly we wouldn't get that. And we've waited it for so long until 14 years later in 2021 we got one, and then we got another one. So we got the story. So yeah, shoutouts to Dave McCrae, shoutouts to Indiegogo, shoutouts to Victoria Mero, and shoutouts to the people involved in the Black Christmas sequels. I mean, to the Black Christmas fan film sequels. So yeah, y'all. Wow. Anyways, y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Feliz Navidad. And enjoy the final days of 2024. Catch you on the next vid. See you all in 2025. Later, y'all.